The future of building materials could be laying in your field. A company called Cornboard Manufacturing is creating reusable wood substitutes using the leftovers from the corn harvest. An engineering and architectural firm headquartered in Neenah is designing and overseeing the construction of these cutting-edge facilities.
U.S. has 40% of the corn production in the world, and if you took all that biomass and put it into 1,000-pound round bales and put them end to end, it would go around the earth 21 times.
Now that leftover material is being put to work.
We take the husk and leaves and cob and stalk, remove about 20%. We follow the combine. They just shut off the stalk chopper, and we bale right behind with traditional balers. And then we separate it, the cob and stalk, from the husk and leaves, and mainly husk and leaves. We do get a little bit of stalk, press with about 8% binder, a non-formaldehyde binder, into a structural board. And we've been doing this for quite some time. We started out making skateboards and skis and snowboards and pieces of furniture and projects, and now we're ready to launch pallets.
While the first facility will be built in Iowa, the construction is in the hands of two Wisconsin firms. C.D. Smith acting as general contractor, McMahon Associates handling the engineering and architecture.
We do a lot of environmental work, not only from our civil engineering, where we work on like stormwater and wetland delineations, to wastewater treatment plants, to like the latest thing is like renewable gas facilities that's dealing with, again, farms and farm manure and stuff, and taking that product, and it's all good for the environment. And again, this is a really awesome project for the environment. So it seemed like a natural partnership.
The goal is to build these facilities across the Corn Belt.
Really what we're trying to develop from a building standpoint is something that we can consistently, make, sites to site, very cost effective.
Bringing additional revenue to farmers and jobs to small towns.
Most of the farmers are pretty excited about it, and not only from an environmental standpoint, but from an additional revenue and a consistent long-term contract versus commodities that continually go up and down. There is a little concern about how much is being removed, but we feel that we're very conservative with about 20% of the stover removal. I'm really excited about bringing jobs to rural America, and we can go into really small towns, and that's really probably our sweet spot. A town of 200 or 300 is not being considered by corporations to put a facility in.
Making corn board requires low to no carbon waste, and the environmental impact doesn't stop there. Roughly 1 million acres of forests in the U.S. are cut down to make pallets. Many are used only one time before they are sent to a landfill. Cornboard pallets break that cycle.
Use screws and bolts to put it together versus nails, so it preserves. So if a part goes bad, we can take it off, grind that part back up, and reintegrate it back into a board, and continually cycling it and never end up in a landfill.
The cornboard pallets weigh less, but hold the same, if not more.
Basically, to get in the pallet industry, your pallet needs to be able to go to about 2,800 pounds before it breaks. Ours held at 2,800 pounds, and then they take it till it breaks, and then you get half that rating. And we went to 11,940 pounds before it broke, so our rating was almost 6,000 pounds.
Eventually, cornboard could be integrated into the building industry in place of some plywood.
Which, if that can happen, would be huge. I mean, if you imagine how much OSB is involved in construction these days, that's a lot of wood products that it could potentially, fill. Now, I wouldn't say necessarily replace, because there's a lot of wood that's involved there, but certainly start to fill in on.
Cornboard pallets will be leased to companies. When they're done, they'll be returned and made into fresh stock.